Welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today I have a fun little Costco haul for you guys. So let's see what we got. Let's be honest, this is like a month long Costco haul, but we're gonna start off strong. I got two of these rugs. They're an outdoor mat, so I'm excited for that for my front door and back door. Then I have to get the mums, even though I don't have the greenest thumb in the world. And it's super hot here in Florida, but they're gonna look beautiful on the porch. Let's take a guess at how long they'll last. Toilet paper kind of speaks for itself. We like to get our toilet paper there. And then the paper towels. I love the Kirkland brand paper towels. And I also like that they are the create your own size, so it's perfect for our family. Up here we have our coffee. This is a really good brand of cold brew. When I can't get it from Costco, I get a different brand, but this works perfect because it's a great price. I also love the power wash, and it's so convenient to come with the extra containers here. My daughter uses the almond milk, and it's a great deal for that double pack there. My husband is in his plant era right now. These are actually going in our quail coop. So we got two different plants. We are big Jacksonville Jaguar fans, so you have to have your socks for the games. I don't know about your Costco, but ours has the cute flannels in different colors. My husband got this to use as a shacket for Florida weather. Hearts of romaine, that's what I make all my salads with. So it's a pack of 4. Then these are really nice to have for a snack. You could put them on Caesar salads. They're just very convenient. You could do these for kids' lunches. It's just nice to have. I love using their bacon. It's so good. It's super thick and it's a great quality. Premier protein shakes when you're trying to get all that protein in and you just are busy. Like, this is perfect. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I personally like the dishwasher soap versus the pods. I'm just not a fan. Sometimes the thing doesn't open. It's an ordeal. So I prefer the dish soap. My daughter, everybody who doesn't love a chocolate chip cookie, these are the perfect size. They're the bite size. My son asked for Celsius. I know, but you got to choose your battles, people. Uncrustables, another great easy snack for people. Our speaker just died and we need a speaker for events, for tailgating, for things like that. So we grabbed this speaker because it was on discount. Bananas are eaten every day in this home. So they're like $1.49 for this big thing of bananas at Costco. It's a great deal. They're starting to have their Christmas candy out. So I grabbed some Godiva chocolates. This is one that Mom will hide from the whole family because everyone else will eat this in one sitting. And we know it's not meant for that. Another quick option for my son. I'm not a big breakfast person, neither is my husband, but our son and our daughter, they love breakfast, so this is great to have. If you need a snack and you don't want to have a lot of junk, this is a good option for you. No sugar, it's perfect. We have our onions, half and half, almonds. I love to get my chicken breasts and my chicken thighs from Costco because they come in perforated container, like packaging. So it's perfect to be able to just pull off what you need, put the rest in the freezer, and you get all of this, like 12 pounds for $21. So again, that's a great price. Same thing with the chicken breast. And then our steaks, we'll separate these into Ziplocs and then put the rest in the freezer. My husband and I are going out of town this week, so the kids are going to be on their own for food, and these are perfect to have them warm up. So if you have somebody coming into town, chicken Alfredo, the chicken stir fry, and they're great for, and then we have the street tacos. So it's kind of perfect to make it for dinner and then have enough left over for lunch the next day. So as you can see, we have stuff we need now, stuff we need later, and stuff we probably don't need at all, but we just wanted. Sometimes it's okay to splurge a little. So comment down below, let me know, what are you finding in your Costco right now? What would you have taken from this selection of items? And thanks so much for hanging out. hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. And then there's a little extra. I may or may not be really good at 80s and 90s video games. I didn't know I was, but my family thinks I am, so that's all that matters. Would you get these? What did you play when you were growing up?